it's really this trustful partnership that we're trying to create, these trustful relationships, both inside but also with our partners and with customers.
And what's essential is how you can focus that structure together. So what we've done is try to break it into one large resource pool that we can better identify where there's talent and where there's opportunities to really leverage that talent.
Making sure that you're creating pathways for people. If you want them to do something different, help them understand how they can do that.
But what we really learned was the customers will tell you what they want within the frame of what they know today.